Hello, welcome to another video. Thank you all for being here. For my returning subscribers, thank you for coming to check me here. And if this is your first time here, consider subscribing. Actually, we are talking live from the village, and here I was just showing you around, and then hope you enjoyed the video. Actually, thank you always for your support. It's my strength from here at the village. And if you have not subscribed, actually click that like button and subscribe. Thank you so much. So always in the morning, when at least you have done like your work, usually you have to do a morning routine like washing the utensils, and then the day will go on just like that. It's a nice morning, and here I'm sharing with you how we wash the utensils at the village. And usually these are morning routines, maybe. I don't know. You leave a comment. I don't know outside there how you do it, maybe. Yeah. So when cooking African tea, we have to just put the tea leaves inside the water first, and then after that, it's continuing boiling, and I have to add milk. Just add milk in an African way, yeah. African way. We don't have fresh milk, we have long life, so that's what I'm using today. And we are making tea. And the tea time is all time is tea time. After that, we have sugar, and this is how they so local kiosks. This is how they tie our sugar here. Like this one here is a quarter of the sugar. So I have to put it inside the all of it. Everyone is serving sugar, and you know the village how people they drink a lot of sugar, and the tea is like too much. Maybe that's what I can say. So I was just making some tea today. I was making some tea today, so and we are using firewood. Always firewood is the easiest source that we usually use here at the village, because you know the gas is expensive. We have it here, but we have not filled it, so that's why I'm using firewood always. Hope you enjoyed the video. Actually, thank you so much. Thank you for coming. Let's wait until the tea is ready and follow the process. Thank you. I'm going to put the tea inside the flask. Always here at the village, we usually put it in a flask because here we are not we are not found in the kitchen always. So Now I have to sieve the tea. It is very ready here. It's very ready. And I have to use this jar to just sieve it, and then I'll put it inside the flask. Alright, this is our local kitchen. I know you know it outside there. And if you are new here, consider subscribing, support your girl from the village here. Actually, I'm showing you how we don't use coffee jugs or what. We usually use the tea. Now we put it inside the plastic. You leave a comment if outside there you store your tea inside the plastic, so you're gonna use it later. If a visitor comes, you don't need to struggle. This is the best way that we usually do here at the kitchen at the village. So thank you so much. Let's continue moving. So sometimes when we make tea, we usually cook this big sufuria here. You see, we are a lot of people, like 10 in the house. That's why we are using this sufuria. Sometimes we usually cook up to here. Yeah. We love tea, African tea. This is African tea. We cook in a local way. That's why we are using the sufuria. Thank you so much. This is how we wash it. This is how we wash it.
All right.